The final of the women's 100 meters. In lane 2, Alexandra Stoilova of Australia, 19 years old. In lane 3, Justina Tiana Ekaboyan of Nigeria, 17 years old, personal best 11:24. Kishane Niles of Barbados, 11:33. Very much a 100-meter runner, improving so much all through this year. In lane 5 for Great Britain and Northern Ireland, Naya Wedderburn-Goodison, been training in Jamaica, European under-18 champion. Alongside her, Alana Reid of Jamaica. She's been training with Sha'Carri Richardson and her group in America. Bronze in Cali. Lead leg for the relay team that took 5th in Paris. And Chelsea Kadiri of Germany. She's found form at the right time. Season's best to impress in her semi to reach this final. Adeja Hodge of the British Virgin Islands. Semi-finals of the 200 meters in Paris. Now in the final of the World Juniors. And Viva Jinkwi of South Africa looked really impressive in heats. Had to qualify as the fastest finisher from that semi-final.
The final of the women's 100 meters.
8 women, fastest qualifiers in those central lanes there. Niles, Reid, Wedderburn-Goodison. Battling it out for this title. Concentration. Focus, final rehearsals. Down the track.
On your marks.
Fast psyching up, settling into the blocks. The final of the women's 100 meters here in Lima at the World Junior Athletics Championships. Niles it was who took the bronze medal, 11:18. She does improve on her bronze from Cali, and she takes home the gold medal this time. Congratulations to Alana Reid. Hodge of the British Virgin Islands takes the silver medal, 11:27, and Niles for Kishane Niles for Barbados does take that bronze medal position. 4th for Naya Wedderburn-Goodison, and Jinkwi came up for 5th, Kadiri in 6th. Looking for the flag, there she goes. Find the flag to celebrate. Big, big smiles, as there should be. She ran the lead-off leg for that Jamaican team, finished 5th in Paris. I'm sure has topped that now by taking home the title to Jamaica. That is the first Jamaican gold medal of these World Junior Championships.
Nation following Masters at 400 meters. That was 2016 in March. Now bring that
Hodge calmly walking around to make their way around for the photos first.
The one maybe like in 2016, years ago.
crucial to get a good, quick, fast start in this 100 meters, and Alana Reid was able to do that and held that advantage all the way to the line. Hodge did not get quite as good start, but did close extremely well. Niles very consistent all the way down, holding that advantage that she held from the start over Wedderburn Goodison. Pick up
United States. And the guys are there to celebrate with the women. It is a golden affair for Team USA in the 4x1 relay. Nine world titles, including 2 in a row now at Worlds for the USA women. Look at this. What a wonderful sight for the US women to celebrate such an incredible accomplishment. And I want to go back to Sha'Carri Richardson's words. I'm not back, I'm better. And she is living up and proving her word.
Woman that has given hope to so many with her resilience and her dedication. She lines up one more time with a fantastic feel to her left and to her right.
Brace yourselves for this now. Can't get any better. If it gets any better, then only a fit Elaine Thompson hero would have been added to this classy lineup. Women's 100-meter final. Great anticipation around the National Stadium.
Set.
And across the globe. Set. Bang! Away they go. Kemba Nelson, Fraser Price got an excellent start. Tia Clayton is running the race of her life. Shericka Jackson turns on the afterburners now. Spectacular performance. 10.79 the flash time. Shericka Jackson, big performance on the big occasion. Sends an ominous message from Kingston to Paris. Awesome performance by Shericka Jackson, the World Championship silver medalist, reigning supreme. We wait for the official time. She kicked into top gear late and came home in 10.84 seconds. Tia Clayton ran the race of her life once again. 10.90 per second. She will be on the plane to Paris. Wow, what an outcome. Shelly and Fraser Price, the veteran, takes third. 10.94 seconds. Oh, wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you wanted to know, if you wanted to remember when the official changing of the guard took place in sprinting, it happened in 20...
A star is born, Alana Reid's triumph. Alana Reid, a name now etched in the annals of track and field, delivered a performance for the ages. the young Jamaican sprinter blazed across the finish line, leaving spectators breathless. Her victory in the 100 meters was no ordinary feat. It was a testament to years of unwavering dedication, raw talent, and the heart of a champion. Reid's time, a blistering insert time here, sent shockwaves through the sprinting world. At such a young age, she had announced her arrival on the global stage. Her win was not just a personal victory, it was a victory for Jamaica, a nation with sprinting in its DNA. The image of Reid crossing the finish line, a symbol of triumph, will forever be etched in the minds of fans. Her victory served as an inspiration to aspiring athletes worldwide, proving that with hard work and perseverance, anything is possible. The making of a champion, dedication and sacrifice. Behind every extraordinary athlete lies a journey paved with unwavering dedication and countless sacrifices. Alana Reid's path to greatness is no different. From a tender age, she displayed a natural affinity for speed, effortlessly outpacing her peers. Recognizing her potential, her family and coaches nurtured her talent. Training became Reid's lifeblood. She pushed her body to its limits, embracing the pain and fatigue that came with the pursuit of excellence. Early mornings and late nights at the track became routine. She understood that greatness demanded unwavering commitment. Reid's journey was not without its challenges, but she faced each obstacle with unwavering determination. Her story is a testament to the power of hard work, resilience, and an unyielding belief in one's abilities. Echoes of greatness. Reid's place in Jamaica's sprint dynasty. Jamaica, a small island nation, stands as a giant in the world of sprinting. The Caribbean nation has produced a pantheon of legendary sprinters. Names like Usain Bolt, Ann Fraser Price, Shericka Jackson, and Kishane Thompson resonate deeply within the sport. These icons have not only dominated the track, they have redefined the boundaries of human speed. Alana Reid's emergence adds another chapter to this illustrious legacy. Her explosive speed and unwavering determination draw comparisons to her illustrious predecessors. Like those who came before her, Reid carries the hopes and dreams of a nation on her young shoulders. Her journey is a testament to the enduring power of inspiration. These legends paved the way, demonstrating that greatness was attainable, even from the smallest of nations. Reid is the latest embodiment of this legacy, a shining example of Jamaica's sprinting prowess. The Caribbean Connection, a legacy of speed. The Caribbean region, with its sun-kissed beaches and vibrant culture, possesses an undeniable connection to speed. From the shores of Jamaica to the islands of Trinidad and Tobago, the region has produced a disproportionate number of world-class sprinters. This phenomenon goes beyond mere coincidence. It speaks to a deep-rooted passion for athletics, a natural talent pool, and a culture that celebrates speed and athleticism. The Caribbean, despite its size, has made an indelible mark on the global sprinting landscape. Alana Reid's rise to prominence further solidifies the Caribbean's reputation as a breeding ground for sprinting excellence. Her success serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration for aspiring athletes across the region. The Caribbean's legacy of speed is alive and well, carried forward by a new generation of athletes eager to etch their names in history. Section 5. Black excellence personified, inspiring a global community. The impact of Jamaican sprinting extends far beyond the track. These athletes, with their electrifying performances and infectious charisma, have become symbols of hope, inspiration, and pride for the global Black community. Their achievements challenge stereotypes and inspire generations to dream big. They demonstrate that excellence knows no boundaries, and that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. Their victories resonate deeply, serving as a powerful reminder of Black excellence. From the streets of Kingston to the sprawling metropolises of North America and Europe, Black communities around the world celebrate the achievements of Jamaican sprinters as their own. They are a source of immense pride, their accomplishments a testament to the resilience and spirit of a people. Section 6. The socio-economic impact, uplifting Jamaica through sport. Sprinting in Jamaica is more than just a sport, it's a source of national pride, a unifying force, and a powerful driver of socio-economic development. The success of Jamaican athletes on the global stage has brought international recognition and investment to the island nation. Sporting success translates into economic benefits. It attracts tourism, sponsorship deals, and infrastructure development. These athletes become role models, inspiring young Jamaicans to pursue their dreams and strive for excellence in all aspects of life. The impact of sports on Jamaican society is undeniable. It fosters a sense of community, promotes healthy living, and provides opportunities for young athletes to rise above their circumstances. Alana Reid's journey is a testament to the transformative power of sport and its ability to uplift individuals and entire nations. Section 7. A new generation rises. The future of Jamaican sprinting. The future of Jamaican sprinting is incredibly bright. A new generation of talented athletes is emerging, eager to follow in the footsteps of their idols. Alana Reid is at the forefront of this new wave, leading the charge with her blistering speed and unwavering determination. The pipeline of talent seems endless. From the streets of Kingston to rural villages, young boys and girls dream of emulating their heroes, training tirelessly to one day represent their nation on the world stage. The future of Jamaican sprinting is in good hands. This new generation of athletes, inspired by the legends who came before them, possesses the talent, dedication, and unwavering belief to carry the torch of Jamaican sprinting forward. The world eagerly awaits their arrival on the global stage. Section 8. Beyond the finish line, Alana Reid's potential. Alana Reid's recent victory is just the beginning of what promises to be an extraordinary journey. Her talent is undeniable, her work ethic unwavering, and her potential limitless. She has all the tools to become one of the greatest sprinters of all time. But Reid's impact extends far beyond medals and records. She is a role model, an inspiration to young people around the globe. Her journey teaches us that with hard work, dedication, and an unwavering belief in oneself, anything is possible. Reid's story is still being written, but one thing is certain. She has the potential to leave an indelible mark on the world, both on and off the track. Her journey is a testament to the human spirit's boundless capacity for greatness. Section 9. Conclusion. A legacy in the making. Alana Reid's name is now etched in the annals of sprinting history. Her victory, a testament to years of dedication and sacrifice, marks the beginning of what promises to be a remarkable journey. She follows in the footsteps of Jamaican legends, carrying the hopes and dreams of a nation on her young shoulders. Reid's success extends far beyond the track. She is a symbol of hope, inspiration, and black excellence, a role model for aspiring athletes worldwide. Her journey teaches us that with hard work, determination, and an unwavering belief in oneself, anything is possible. As Reid continues her journey, the world watches with bated breath, eager to witness the unfolding of a legend in the making. Her story is an inspiration to us all, a reminder that greatness is attainable, regardless of where we come from or the circumstances we face. The future of sprinting is bright,